The P59F trouble code indicates a problem with the active grille air shutter system in your vehicle. This system automatically opens and closes small shutters behind the front grille to improve engine cooling and fuel efficiency. When the shutters get stuck open or closed, the vehicle's computer detects the issue and triggers the P59F code along with the check engine light. The problem is commonly caused by debris blocking the shutters, a faulty actuator motor, or wiring issues. Try these. 1. Scan the vehicle with an OBD2 scanner. Confirm the P59F code and check for other related cooling system or actuator codes. 2. Inspect the grille shutter assembly. Look behind the front grille for dirt, leaves, or road debris that may block the shutters from moving. 3. Check the shutter actuator and wiring. Examine the electrical connector and wiring harness for damage, corrosion, or loose connections. 4. Reset the code and test the system. Clear the code with the scanner and start the vehicle to see if the shutters operate normally. 5. Replace the shutter actuator if necessary. If the shutters are stuck or the motor doesn't move during testing, the active grille shutter actuator may need replacement.